guys, it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't made a video in kind of a long time, but I was gonna get better about that, and so today I'm making a video. It's gonna be like a vlog because today's my 18th birthday. So I was gonna go do some things that you can only do when you turn 18, but I'm gonna keep those a surprise because it's pretty exciting what I have planned. Right when I turned 18, I went to the gas station and I was like, I need to buy something that only 18-year-olds can buy. And the guy in there was like, what do you want? And I was like, because I've never bought anything there before, so I was just like, give me something random. And he gave me this thing. It's like a little pen. I don't know if it's focusing on it, but I don't know, it's weird. I don't like it though. It's like a cigarette, but not. I'm gonna get ready and have breakfast, and then my friends are gonna pick me up to go do some stuff. I'm still getting used to this camera because I just got it, but I'm all ready now except I need to get dressed. But I'm just waiting for my friends to come and pick me up so that we can leave. And I think that the first place we're going is probably a gas station, so you can like guess what I'm gonna get there, you know. Pretty excited though. Actually, I'm really excited. Oh, and look at this. Hold on. Every year my mom like usually she hangs toilet paper from my room, which is like, it's like really weird, but it's like a tradition. So instead of toilet paper, I got streamers this year, but it's cute, I think. And so yeah, I'm gonna get dressed and then I'll show you guys my outfit for the day. So this is my outfit. It's just this like black off the shoulders shirt, and then I think it's from Hollister. And then this necklace, which is just like a little diamond, it's from Forever 21. And then these Hollister jeans and some checkered red Vans. And this is just the outfit I'm gonna wear out, but then like when I get home for like dinner and stuff, I might change into something nicer. I don't really know yet. Elizabeth and Susanna picked me up. Say hello, guys. Hey. What's up? We like low-key wore the same shirt.
It was not on purpose.
That's okay, and we're all wearing the same shoes. Hold up. Mine are those. I don't know if you can see hers. They're like that, and then hers are like that. We twin. And Elizabeth brought me this cake. Show them your glasses. They look a little broken, buddy. Okay, well now we're at the gas station and I'm gonna go in and get some stuff, and then I'll show you guys what I get. But there's a really scary guy outside. You just popped your head in there.
I was like,
well, there's a really scary guy outside. Alright, so at the gas station I got a Betty Boop scratcher. And then I got this gold mine. So I just bought some lottery tickets, but the guy was kind of mean to me, and I was like, this is my first time doing this, like please be nice. But I'm gonna scratch them off and see if I won. I'll update you guys. I'm gonna be scratching this one first. It's upside down. We're gonna be scratching
close up.
Okay.
It's Betty Boop.
I hope I win $10,000. Okay, I think that what you do is like you just scratch right here, right?
I would assume that's how a scratcher works.
This one was only $2. The other one was $5. Reveal a win symbol with the prize shown for that. Reveal a red BB. What? I don't understand this. I literally don't understand this.
Oh, if you get a win symbol, then you win that prize, and then if you get a...
Oh, well, I don't think I got any wins. Did I just take L's on this one?
I think you did.
Okay, well that was only $2.
That's not it.
Okay. Okay, I think for this one, you scratch the... Do you scratch here too?
I don't know.
3 like symbols in the game with the prize. Oh, okay.
Yeah, about this, Hannah?
I spent $8 on L's. Literally, I just took L's on every single one of them.
Is there a backside? I don't know.
Wow, that's sad. I thought I was gonna win at least $2. Sad days. I don't like that sound. Elizabeth just hit her car on the curb. So now we're getting Chick-fil-A, and I'm very excited because I'm really hungry. It's hot in here though. Yeah. Well, Chick-fil-A was alright. There was a weird old man in there who didn't understand how Chick-fil-A works. But now we're gonna go in to Petland and play with some pets. Okay, we're gonna go play with pets because they're pretty cool. I always feel like I have to justify my reasoning.
I don't think you do.
Okay, well, we're going to play with pets. Now we're gonna go get my belly button pierced. That's the thing I'm most excited for. And this is what my belly button looks like. This is what my belly button looks like before. It's a pretty normal looking belly button. I can already show you what it's gonna look like after. Yeah, this is what it'll look like after. But yeah, I think I'm gonna get a blue one.
I thought you were getting purple.
Oh yeah, purple. Whoops, I mixed up my colors. Either purple or blue.
Dyslexic.
Yeah,
Dyslexia is a curse.
I'm color dyslexic. Something's wrong with my eyes. I'm scared. Okay, well I'll try to film in there, but I don't know if I'm gonna be allowed to.
Doesn't look like my grandpa.
You can film for me, okay, Elizabeth? We'll try to though, but I don't know. They probably aren't gonna let me.
Why would they not?
Like film it getting done. I just feel like they wouldn't let you, but.
I've seen so many videos of people getting their piercings.
Okay, yeah. I'll just be like, can she film for me? And they're gonna be like, why?
This has been the longest light of my
I
entire
don't know.
life.
Yeah, do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog.
Do it for the vlog. Full send.
Vlogger Hannah.
This is ASAP Hannah's blog.
Dog with a blog.
Are you implying I'm a dog? Oh, that's so bright. I just filled out all the paperwork and stuff, and I picked out the one. It's purple.
That's not a good angle.
Like this? Okay. Well, yeah, I picked out the thing I'm getting, and then I have to wait, and then they're gonna do it. I'm not nervous though. 'Cause I feel like, yeah, and I feel like your nose hurts a lot more than your belly button. Yeah, I'll see you when my belly button's iced out.
Exhaling slowly. Nice deep breath in. And exhale. Just like that.
Doesn't hurt. I know.
That's most people's experience.
I told you it's already done and everything.
Just got to get the bead screwed on the top, yeah.
Oh wow.
You were nervous, huh?
Yeah, a little bit. I was kind of scared, but it's good now.
Just gonna tighten this up.
Here's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Just gonna. Yeah, it didn't hurt. I thought it was. Pause it, and then after I'm done talking. Okay, it didn't hurt. I thought it was gonna hurt, but it felt fine. But now we're gonna go back to my house, and then. Yeah, that's.
My house to get your present.
Okay. And then we'll have like cake and stuff, and I'll vlog that, some of it at least. But yeah, see you then. What do you think of the piercing?
I like it. It looks good. Happy birthday!
That was a very interesting. I like it. Look at these. I got these balloons. They're pretty cool.
Okay.
Saw my birthday cake. It's pretty. I like it. Thanks, Mom.
Happy birthday!
No. Hey, Dad.
Uh-oh, there's the stick.
What do you think of my belly button piercing?
I don't know. It's reversible, right?
Yeah, this one is.
You can make it go away, right?
Yeah, I suppose. I don't know why I would do that though. It was expensive. It was like $90.
That's the way you marketed it to me. You said it was reversible.
Yeah, a tattoo's not.
That's right.
I didn't get any of those today.
Well, that's good.
But now I can. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hannah. Happy birthday to you.
That hurt my belly.
That hurt you. How did that hurt your belly button?
I like moved forward.
She's asking for some interpretation on
Why
the car.
is it not? What's a monger?
That you're like, you know, you have lots of clout. Never mind.
Monger. Hype beast. Alright, Gavin.
This is what Dad picked up.
Let's hope he did good. A lot of pressure on you, Dad.
There's always pressure.
Hannah, you're kind of hard to shop for, honestly.
It could be a big-
Notice?
Oops. This is dope, Dad. Thank you. That's actually so cool. This is what it is. Book about streetwear. That's really dope. Thank you. I'll come give you a hug because that's really cool. Marie's choice. We're making a human pyramid.
We are?
Yep. Go get on the ground. I'm just kidding.
I was ready.
I got a lot of great presents. Thanks, guys.
I was literally just like, I had my whole finger in my mouth when you pointed the camera at me. You just.
Alright, so that's the end of my vlog for my 18th birthday, and I had a great time. It was honestly probably like my best birthday yet. But I'm probably gonna go to bed now because it's like 9 o'clock or like soonish because I have school tomorrow. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
I'm in my black Benz, doing cocaine.